Hey guys, it's Robert. We sure hope you're enjoying the video content we've been putting out. Sherry mentioned some drone footage that I've showed in the past on my other YouTube channel, RC1 Hobbies, and she thought you guys would enjoy it. So I agreed. So here's that footage I shot from the drone in the summer of 2017 in the Florida Keys. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, for those of you who don't know where this is exactly, this is west of the Bahia Honda State Park. So here's the old historic Bahia Honda Bridge where there used to be a Flaggers Railroad that was, after the hurricane, was turned into a highway, the Overseas Highway. That was the old Overseas Highway that was used till around 1972 when the new one was built. Just to the west of Bahia Honda is an island called West Summerland Key. So that's where I'm flying the drone from, and facing Bahia Honda State Park, where we camp every year for the mini lobster season. Going back there again this year, we already have our reservations to camp. So we love going back there. The water is usually clear. Sometimes it's cloudy. You know, it depends on situations and sediment in the water, but sometimes you catch it and it's really pretty like this. The water's really clear. And here, this is actually my first flight of this drone over water. I've never flown it over water. This is the first time, so I'm a little bit timid with this. And getting too close to the bridge or flying under the bridge due to warnings of interference from metal objects, so I'm trying to stay clear of the bridge. But here I am hovering over the water approximately 100 feet up in the air, and as you can see, the water is clear. You can see the bottom, no problem. Right there, we've dived there many times, and it's about 15 foot deep there. So you can actually see all the way down, which was really amazing. Here I relaunched the drone. I changed batteries and relaunched the drone. I plan on going as far as I can to Bahia Honda, which is about a mile away. I'm not sure exactly, but I want to see Bahia Honda. And Bahia Honda is a state park, so you're not allowed to launch from Bahia Honda State Park. Drones are against the rules, so you can fly away, launch from a different area and fly by the island. It's not an issue. Here we are. I got the speed. I think I'm going 4 times the speed, or at least twice the speed normal. So you can see here in the distance there's a dive snorkeling boat coming in from Bahia Honda, going through the bridge opening there that was intentionally opened so boats can go through. And now I'm panning over to that little island off in the distance that it had, since the hurricane came through. This is before the Hurricane Maria. It wiped out that island. There's nothing living on that island anymore. Now I'm approaching Bahia Honda. This is all the campground area and the beach area where the marina is. And as you can see now, something extraordinary happened to my drone. I actually lost signal, so I did lose signal here, and the drone has contingency software designed into it, along with GPS coordinates that will help the drone find its way back home in the event of this situation where I lost the signal. The controller told me signal gone, and I was definitely helpless, nothing I could do. But this is why you spend big money for a drone, so it has these contingencies software to bring the drone home if you have a signal failure. So here's the drone on its own, flying by itself back to where it took off from. And I was freaked out, definitely scared on my first real risky flight. To have the drone wig out like this was scary. But it came back with no issue at all, and I'm still flying the drone today. So thankfully for that, Wonderful design feature inside this drone to bring the drone home when it loses its signal. So I just wanted to share this footage with you. It's actually really nice and clear, 4K, and beautiful. So just hope you guys had enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.